Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Sania here. I know that nobody missed me, but we have again. But yet I would like to give my update as well because I was so busy to start my career in IT again. So I was completely involved in it. I had set my goal to reach it, and I have achieved going to that career. And now I'm really happy that I have reached my one goal and starting my next one with the YouTube channel, because YouTube is my passion, and the career what I choose is for the family, and this is for me to spend me time, a quality time self, and share my thoughts. This is a series I'm doing especially for the people who have nice gorgeous brown eyes. The brown shade is the one shade which is so gorgeous in its own, so I have enhanced my brown eyes with this beautiful gorgeous shade here. Very simple, very drugstore products, nothing more complicated. So I'll be doing 5 ways to enhance your brown eyes with the eyeshadow. So this is one of the method. In the next series I'm gonna teach you the other shades which enhances, or it takes out the brown eyes to the next level. So gorgeous beauties, what are we waiting for? Let's jump into the video. Welcome back, and this is completely my bare skin. I haven't applied anything on my face, not even moisturizer. Just cleansed my face thoroughly and scrubbed it, and then now I'm going to apply a good amount of moisturizer first. Before that, let me clip my hair so that it doesn't disturb me when I do my makeup. Okay, so how is this quarantine situation going on in your countries? It will be so real if you comment down there and how this quarantine situation going on. First and foremost, I'm using this goat moisturizing cream. It is one of the best cream I have found recently because nice lemon fragrance in it, and it is really suitable for dry, itchy and sensitive skin. This is not suitable for oily skin people. It's useful for only the dry skin. If you really feel that your skin is turning itchy or not good, you can try this. This is really very good, and it moisturizes your skin so well because it's winter over here. So I just thought to use this cream, and I have fallen in love with this cream. It's really good. I'm using this Total Control NYX foundation. This is also one of my go-to and favorite one. So just dropping some of the liquid foundation on my face like that. It's very watery, so you make sure that you brush your foundation well. I like my foundation coverage to be really light and should feel like a skin for me. So that's why I use very less foundation. And also I prefer water-based foundation because that's how it makes me to feel like a skin, not like the one with very cakey finish. After foundation, you will be applying many layers of bronzer, blush, highlighter, concealer and stuff like that. So I prefer my foundation to be really minimum and yet give a good amount of coverage to my skin. After I have blended all my foundation, I'm gonna take concealer and cover my dark circles. This part. I prefer this kind of spots to be seen after I have applied foundation because that's what it makes my skin to be very natural. I think this has appeared recently for me. It wasn't there. This kind of freckles on my face, but I feel really good of it, not complaining anymore. So my foundation is completely blended. So next I will go and put concealer. This is a concealer. I have really literally squeezed this concealer to its depth. The reason why they use concealer in this, it makes your foundation to last long, and it gives a nice covered layer on the foundation as well, and it highlights your eyes. Be scared girls looking at my concealer to be so much. Once I layer it, it will come to normal. And now I'm gonna use my eye makeup. Next eyeshadow with this shade here, so that it is to be done as a transition shade for me. Like a nice canvas for the eyes before beginning in-depth eyeshadows for your eyes. So this is very simple eye makeup I'm doing today, which is very suitable for the brown eyes. Once I've covered this basic transition shade, now I'm gonna apply this beautiful brown shade. Started from the corner of my eyes, okay, and then slowly smudge inside. Really well with all kind of skin tones. It can be used of any palette which has got good pigmentation underneath. And now I'm taking these kind of a brush, okay, taking the brown shade, dipping the tip of the brown shade on it, and slowly drawing my eyes in the lower lash line, right? So once I've used this kind of brown shade, so I would like to leave it like that and move for the eyeliner next. So I'm using this nice fluffy slightly slanted brush for my eyebrows, and filling it first with a darker shade. Just filling my gaps in the eyebrows there and giving it a little bit of definition. Okay, I'm just contouring my nose at the side and trying to make my puffy nose to look a little bit nice and sharp. Just looks like that. Contouring with this powder base highlighter from Maybelline. Nice fluffy brush, and I'm applying highlighter, and really like how it turns out. This nice dark shade of Maybelline. Again, this is in the shade of 825 Blackest Berry, and this is also from Matte collection of color sensational lipsticks from Maybelline. I'm gonna use this tiny brush to apply as a liner. So this is my completed makeup look. You guys are watching. Hope you like this video. I'll be bringing more such fun videos for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something. Do comment down there how you felt about this makeup tutorial, or the eyeshadow, which is your favorite eyeshadow palette, and also which is your favorite shade in the eyeshadow. So what's the common eyeshadow you will be using? So all these 3 questions, please comment down there in the comments below. Do subscribe to my channel, share this as much as possible to your friends so that they can also be gorgeous, and thank you guys for watching. To see you in my next video. Take care. Ciao.